Do you want to know how to get paid to write articles even without experience and how you potentially can earn up to $100 per article? Then this video is for you. My name's Michael, and if you watched any of my videos before, you will know that I constantly test new methods to make money online for free. And one option I've often been asked about is how to get paid to write articles. And therefore I decided to record this video here where I will show you a great method where you can actually potentially earn $100 just for writing an article without any professional experience actually. So before going over the way that I want to show you where you can get paid to write articles, I just want to set the expectations a little bit, because you can actually use this method no matter the country you live in. But as I will go over later, there are of course some language requirements, so you do not need any experience in writing at all. But of course you do need to write English properly. This specific method I will show you is only if you are good at writing English. But if you are, and if you like writing, then it can actually be a great way to earn some money doing what you like doing. So let me now jump over to the website where this is possible and go through what kind of articles you would have to write, how much you can earn, and what the requirements are, so you can find out if this is the right option for you or not. So I'm now on a website called Listverse here, and they have a lot of articles and quite entertaining articles actually. You can see there are all these top 10 things, and this is the top 10 lists that they are actually known for. And you can see there are all these top 10, no space here, like smells here, and all kind of other things here. So it's these top 10 lists you will be writing. You can see all the different entertainments. For example, there's also gaming, there's music, there's movies and TV, arts. So no matter what your interests are, you can just write about basically any topic here potentially. You can see also top 10 board games that take an insane amount of time to play. So there's some quite entertaining things here. But this is just to give you an idea of what kind of articles you can be writing. It will be these top 10 lists of all kind of weird topics basically. And if you think that sounds fun and interesting, let's now then go over what it takes to get started with this. So Listverse has a lot of content, and they of course need help to actually write these articles. And that is why you and me can potentially get paid to write articles here. They have a part of their websites where you can read more about that. And you can say you can actually earn $100 per article, which is quite a good pay actually. Of course, the articles are fairly long, but still $100 if you are a good and fast writer is definitely some nice money. And the great thing is that you do not need professional writing experience. But of course, there are some rules you need to follow. You of course need to make sure that it is factually correct, whatever you actually write, and you cannot just steal. You see here, don't steal other people's stuff. That is of course not cool, it's unethical, and they will also likely use some kind of copy tool here to make sure that you do not do that. And if you do, you will of course not get paid. But other than that, the only requirement is here that you just need to have English here equal to that of a native speaker, and you need to have a sense of humor and love for things unusual and interesting here. So it is not necessarily a good option for all. You need to be very good at writing English, as I already mentioned earlier. But if you are, you can just write and then you will send it to them, and if they then end up approving it, they will pay you $100 by PayPal. And also what is great to know is also that you do not need to include any images and video. As you can see here, they have a team that will find the right images and the right videos, which would definitely also save you some time. And I actually do like that they do not ask you to do that. It is just the writing that you need to focus on. So this is basically how it works and how simple it is. But let's just go over a little bit more about the payout methods, because it's also very important to be aware of. So as I already mentioned, if your article gets approved here, then you will get paid $100. But just it's very important to be aware here that they do not accept lists from writers who do not have a PayPal account. This is non-negotiable. That means that if PayPal is not available in your country, you cannot get paid by Listverse. And this is very important to be aware of. So do not request to actually get paid in other ways. They are not flexible like that. And that's definitely something to be aware of. Then you might want to join freelance platforms instead that offer many different other payout methods, because there definitely are many that actually do offer to pay, for example, in cryptocurrencies or Payoneer or other rewards or payout methods. And it would just be a shame if you spend time writing an article and actually getting it approved and then you will not be able to get paid. So just really be aware you need a PayPal account to get paid here. So overall, if you like writing funny, interesting top 10 lists, then Listverse definitely can be a legit way to do that. It is a legit website and it will pay you if it approves your work. But just be aware that the risk here is that just because you submit an article does not mean that it will get approved. And that of course means that you can potentially end up wasting time writing an article without getting paid, and that is the risk of this platform. But other than that, I like that you can get started earning right away without any professional experience, without having to fill out big profiles or anything like that. But of course, if you were to write a lot of good articles for your own website, then the long-term potential would be bigger, and that's also something to consider depending on your long-term goals. The advantage of something like Listverse is that you can start earning right away, whereas if you build your own website with your own articles, it will take a long time to actually build up traffic before you can start earning from it. But if that's what you're interested in, I will leave a link below so you can read more about my top recommended way of doing that if you think that is the way for you. But if you're looking to just start writing because you like writing and you want to get paid right away, then this is definitely a good option. And I hope this video helped you figure out exactly how it works. And if it's not the right option for you, I will also leave a link below to other free online earning methods that you can easily get started with, so you can check out a video about that. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you. And if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to site, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.